everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with a quick video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate it. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all of the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl put out: vlogs, reviews, walkthroughs, hauls, sip and chat. If you are doing all of those things, you are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, leave me some comments, as well as follow me on Instagram and hit the notification bell. These glasses, the window is right behind the camera, so it's just kind of shining from the glasses. Sorry, y'all. I have a quick haul, a small haul, a mini haul. This was from the minis sale. I think they were $2.95, I believe. Not 100% sure, but I think it was a $2.95 mini, a sale on the minis. So as y'all see, the box is like small. So yes. So we're gonna get into this box real quick because it's actually some items that I really want to use. Hopefully nothing is broken. So yes, small haul, not really much in the box at all, but I did grab this kitchen lemon hand cream. I actually bought 2 of them. I couldn't believe they had these for $2.95. Amazing deal. And these are 4 ounces. Yes, the regular price of these is $14.50, but my plan for these is Bath & Body Works just came out with some new hand creams, the pump bottle. That's $14.50. So my plan is to exchange for these new hand creams, these new pump bottle hand creams, if I can. Now they retail for the same price, the $14.50, like these do, but the difference is that these are 4 ounce and these are 8 ounce. Hopefully it ain't gonna be no issues with that because it's hand cream and it's $14.50. So most of the time it's product for product. So hopefully it won't be no issues when these finally come to the store. Right now my store don't have them. Right now they're just only online. So once the new hand creams get in the store, that's what I plan on doing. I plan on exchanging for this shea butter hand cream if all goes right. My original plan when I got them, I just was gonna use them for my purse, and then I noticed those popped online, so I'm like, okay, I want to try the new stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do with these. I'm not gonna use them, I'm not gonna open them, I'm not gonna even smell it, but yeah, that's the whole plan. It does not have any scent notes on it. So yes, I got those. They had these lip balms. I actually really like Bath & Body Works lip balms. So this one is the Meta Supreme. I grabbed 2 of them. I know it's not gonna come through, but I did grab 2. And then I also grabbed which I don't know if I want this or not, the Rose Balm. This is an all-purpose balm and it's in rose. So yeah, I got 2 of those as well, but I really wanted the C.O. Bigelow ones, but these were the only ones that they had online. I'm not sure if they have any more in the store. I don't know, but if they do, if I ever come across them in the store, I think I'm going to switch these out because these are really good. It's just that I don't want to spend $8 on these. I used to use these years ago, like when they had all of the C.O. Bigelow stuff inside of Bath & Body Works, and that's been like, that's been super long time ago. 5-6 years ago. I don't know how long it's been since the C.O. Bigelow, since they discontinued that. I'm not sure, but when they had all of them inside of Bath and Body Works. That's when I first started using these, and I really love these. But this was the only thing they had. You get the Bonfire Bash body spray and the, what is this one? The White Pumpkin and Chai. I decided to just grab these two because I really do love this one. I do have the body butter in this, as you see. So I really love this scent, and I guess the scent notes is the same on everything. And it's vanilla bourbon, sandalwood, and cashmere musk. I really like this, and I think it will pair really good with some of your creamier perfumes, some of your vanilla scented perfumes. I think this will go really good. If you have perfume that has like that caramel note to it, I think this will go really good with that perfume. If you have something like that, use this more as a body scent. You know, like once you get out the shower, you moisturize your body, then spray a little bit of the fine fragrance mist that might go with the perfume that you're gonna wear. And then once you're dressed, then go in with your regular perfume. So yes, I normally use these more as a body fragrance, not as a overall my scent of the day. No, this is more of a body fragrance for me. And I don't really use a lot of their fine fragrance mist at all. It's just that certain ones I kind of like, you know, like this one because of that vanilla scent. And I think it goes really good with a number of perfumes. So yeah, that's the reason why I grabbed this. This one is just because I just wanted to try it. I actually have the hand cream, and I really like the hand cream. I think I got the body wash as well. I think, I'm not 100% sure. I'll have to check. I think I hauled that a couple of weeks ago. But I do like the way this would smell. That's the reason why I got the hand cream as well. But so yes, this is more of a pumpkin, cinnamon, vanilla. That's the notes in it. Just a quick rundown of the notes. So that's the reason why I got this, because it's something that I actually do like. And again, it will go really good with your vanilla or caramel like scented fragrance, something like a spicy or a warm type of fragrance. I think this will pair really good with it. And I love the fact that they're doing them in the smaller bottles now, because I'm the type of person, I don't really buy their body care, so I'm willing to try a mini. So yeah, that's the reason why I got that. I grabbed two candles. One is Sunlit Mountain, is the one that came to the website super late. As y'all do know, I do have all the other ones. So that was the reason why I decided to place an order, because I really wanted to grab the last one in the Nature Candles collection. I really love the packaging on these candles. I love the picture. I love the fact that they are like matte jars. I love that. And I wish Bath and Body Works would come out with the 3 wicks, but to me it's just the wrong time for these candles, and I'm not sure why did they put them out so late. I don't get it. Even if they would have brought these candles out in like summer/fall, like right when we were transitioning, this would have been pretty good. Or right at right in spring, or either late summer into the fall. But for some reason they released these around Christmas time, so I don't know why. The scent notes on this one is apple blossom, sage, and birch. I do get that apple. To me, this smells just like, well, I shouldn't say just like this. To me, this smells very similar to, if you ever smelled like apple wood, you know, the wood that you use to grill, to smoke with, this kind of remind me of that. Yes, this kind of remind me of apple wood. You know, opening up a bag of the apple chips. That's what this reminds me of. And it's supposed to be birch, apple blossom, and sage. I don't really get sage. Most definitely get that apple, but it's not like a sweet apple. It's sweet, but it's more like a woody apple to me. So that's why I said the apple and the birch. I don't really get sage, but the sage could be making it more earthy, more woody like. But I like this one. This is really, really nice. I like this. And again, hopefully I could place another order or get enough points where I could get another set of these candles, because I really do like them. And I love the fact that Bath and Body Works is just kind of thinking outside the box. I love that. Because y'all know I love anything that's unique and anything that's a little bit different. So this is very different for Bath and Body Works to come out with like some nature candles. And I'm here for it. I am here for it. So hopefully I'll get another set. Okay, and then the next candle I got, single wick candle, I decided to get Hope. Again, this was one of the last candles for this whole collection. I don't even know what this collection is called, but this one is Winter Peach Marshmallow. Winter Peach Marshmallow. And I actually smelled the body care inside the store, and it smells very peach like. I didn't really get a lot of the marshmallow. Okay, and then the scent notes is peach, vanilla meringue, and creamy jasmine. It's supposed to be a velvet peach. I'm not sure what a velvet peach is. Maybe a creamier peach. I don't know. But when I smelled it in the store, it didn't really smell like a creamy peach. It smelled almost very peachy to me. Most definitely a creamy peach. Almost like, to me, first thing came to my mind when I smelled this one was like a dream pop. You know, like those orange dream pop. I don't even know what they're called. The orange bomb pops with the vanilla on the inside, like the ice cream. I'll post a picture because I don't even know what those things called. I believe they're called dreamsicles, I believe. That's what this kind of remind me of, but only with peach instead of the orange like those are. It's just peach. So it's more of a creamy. It's more of a creamy peach. I could be one and done with this one. And I usually love peach candles or the peach scent. I don't think I'm gonna like this one because I like more of a sweeter peach. And not to say that this isn't sweet. It's more of a tart like peach. I like super sweet peach scent. This is more of a tart slash creamy, in my opinion. So yes, that's basically everything I got with my order. So leave in the comments. I know my haul is kind of late because I'm sure everybody got their packages already. Shipment has been very slow with Bath and Body Works. So yeah, I got this box, I believe yesterday. So I decided to just come on here and make a quick video. So yeah, sorry about the glare on my glasses. Sorry about that, but I should have tried to do something different. I don't know, but so yes, leave in the comments. Let me know, what did you get from the all minis sale, the $2.95 sale at Bath and Body Works? Leave in the comments about that. Also, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video. Follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.